Adobe Creative Cloud Pro versus Standard. Which plan is better for your creative work? Choosing the right Adobe plan can transform your workflow without overspending. We'll look at the Standard and Pro options side by side. Adobe Creative Cloud Standard and Pro both offer powerful creative tools, but the core difference lies in advanced features and collaboration capabilities. Standard covers essentials, while Pro adds professional-grade tools and enhanced performance for demanding projects. Adobe Creative Cloud Standard provides access to core apps like Photoshop, Illustrator, Premiere Pro, and more. It works through cloud-based subscriptions, allowing users to install apps on multiple devices with seamless updates. Strengths include a comprehensive suite for photo, video, and design projects, plus integration with Adobe Fonts and Adobe Stock. The plan suits freelancers, hobbyists, and small businesses needing reliable tools without extra complexity. Limitations appear when handling large-scale or collaborative workflows, as advanced features like version control and priority support are missing. The standard plan is ideal for creatives focused on individual projects who want essential Adobe apps at a reasonable price without the need for extensive team collaboration or enhanced performance options. Adobe Creative Cloud Pro builds on Standard by offering advanced tools tailored for professional teams and power users. It includes all standard apps, plus enhanced collaboration features such as cloud document versioning, real-time co-editing, and priority technical support. Pro also boosts performance with access to Adobe's latest AI-powered features and increased cloud storage for large files. This plan works through the same subscription model, but targets users managing complex projects requiring seamless teamwork and faster workflows. Strengths include improved asset management, tighter integration across apps, and tools designed for high-end video editing, 3D design, and publishing. Limitations mainly involve higher cost and features that may be unnecessary for casual users. Pro is perfect for creative agencies, studios, and professionals who demand cutting-edge tools and collaborative efficiency. Comparing Adobe Creative Cloud Standard and Pro highlights key trade-offs. Standard is cost-effective for individual creators focusing on essential apps and straightforward projects. It's perfect for photographers, graphic designers, and video editors working solo. Pro, however, shines in collaborative environments where teams share files and co-edit in real time, making it ideal for agencies and studios. Pro's advanced AI features and priority support accelerate complex workflows, but come at a higher price. If you need cloud storage beyond the standard limit or rely on version control, Pro is the clear choice. For solo users or small teams with basic needs, Standard delivers excellent value without unnecessary extras. Choose Adobe Creative Cloud Standard if you want essential creative apps at a lower cost, with reliable performance for solo projects and straightforward workflows. Adobe Creative Cloud Pro is the best option for professionals requiring advanced collaboration, AI tools, and enhanced cloud storage. It elevates creative workflows and team efficiency, making a worthy investment for studios and agencies focused on high-end production.